Right, so this video basically we're going to be looking at the Depthfirst pre-post and in-order algorithms. Okay, the reason for doing the tree traversal first before we've done any methods for adding and removing those is we need to actually be able to print out the tree to see if the data that we're adding or removing is going in and coming out. Okay, now if you remember what I said about the Depthfirst traversal in the theory, was that this is recursive in nature. So the algorithms for these are very, very simple, okay? Much more elegant, perhaps, than the Depthfirst traversal, okay? So in terms of the pre-order, basically we want to print the node, we're going to visit the left subtree, then we're going to visit the right subtree, because remember the print is taking place first. So in essence, the pre-order, we're going to pass it a node, and then if that node is not null, then we're going to print the data at that node. Then we're going to have a recursive call to the left and then recursive call to the right. That's it. Okay. The base case, it would be under an else under there if you were going to have one, and else return, as in like just go back. That's it. Okay. We're not returning any other data. If we want to visit the left subtree, then we can basically, sorry, let's start again. If you're going to do an in order, they're going to have the print statement in between the left and the right calls. And so the algorithm, again, very, very straightforward. We've got our call in order, passing it a node. If the node is not equal to null, then we're going to have recursive call to the left, print the node, and then recursive call to the right. Now you can guess just by looking at the previous two algorithms and the post order description what the post order algorithm is going to look like, and very, very similar. If the node is not null, recursive call to the left, recursive call to the right, and then we're going to print the node that we're at. Okay, now that you know how to print the node, then we can actually now move ahead with actually inserting data into the node, into the tree as well. Okay, and there we go.